Good morning. It's Good morning. What happened there? It's coffee and a forecast time, and it's what is it? The 5th of November, something like that. It's Monday. Ah, good coffee. And not only that, but Halls with mentholyptus. That's good stuff too. All right, here are the numbers from yesterday. It was kind of hot, 87 for a high. Look how high above average that is. Almost 10 degrees. And our low of 53, pretty close to average for this time of year. The low should be around 50. So today's going to be another hot day. Pretty close to yesterday's values, just maybe a little warmer at 88. 90 on Tuesday, boo. 88 on Wednesday, boo. Hey, but good news coming. Thursday, windy. Temperature drops maybe 10 degrees for a high, 78. Windy on Friday. Wednesday on Friday would be a good trick. Windy on Friday and temperatures dropping even more, maybe 72, and maybe a slight chance of a shower. And then Saturday and Sunday, both highs in the low 60s. And Saturday, maybe a chance of showers and mountain snow as well. Snow levels could get down to 6,000 feet. And Sunday morning could see widespread freeze for Cochise County mainly. We're not talking in the Tucson area necessarily, but still, if it's freezing in Cochise County, it's going to be 40 here, something like that. So anyway, it's going to be cold this weekend, so really looking forward to that. Temperatures out there right now, I sort of overslept. It's like I woke up at 3 in the morning, something like that, and I couldn't get back to sleep, so I put a bunch of my weather together and then went back to bed, and then I just got up a little while ago. So it's 7:42 right now. And the temperatures out there, here's 39 in Douglas, so already pretty cold out there in some places. 47 for the Nogales Airport, 44 for Safford, 69 in Vail, 52 for Casa Grande. And with my voice fried like it is, I just can't deliver that line the way I like. 56 in Benson right now, and also up here on Tangerine Road in the northern part of Oro Valley. And another zoom in, you see a lot of low to mid 50s across the metro. All right, here's what's going on. Oh, I forgot to put the clouds in motion, but this illustrates what's going on rather well. Here's British Columbia. Here's Idaho. Here's Utah. And here's Arizona with Phoenix. And look at this big, huge area of high pressure, excuse me, which is still building in here. So that's why tomorrow is supposed to be even warmer than today. And as this high pressure drifts over our heads, we've got several warm days ahead, including today. But see this deep trough, big low, cold air, and this is what's following behind the high. So we'll have the warmer temperatures followed by the much cooler temperatures and unsettled weather by this weekend. So that certainly is good news. What's going on across the country right now? Well, we have some weather across the south with severe weather possible here in parts of East Texas into Louisiana. Sorry about that. And then rain and thunderstorms possible for the Florida Panhandle and parts of the south. And then it's a big area of rain as you get further to the north for the eastern seaboard. Also in the west, another system moving into British Columbia with snow, and that's rain in Washington State. And then you see the big area of high pressure across the west for clear sailing. Now we have bad news for those cleaning up after Sandy. Here is the forecast for the next few days. You see a low forming here off of the southeast coast and moving right up the coast, strengthening on Wednesday, that's the day after tomorrow, and by Thursday it looks like we're going to have a pretty strong nor'easter right across the areas that were affected by Sandy for Wednesday and Thursday. So we're talking strong winds, maybe some new power outages, some coastal flooding possible on the places that got hit hard with coastal flooding. Now, obviously, this is no Sandy, but if you're trying to clean up from Sandy, this is not good news. And then you get inland, and it's a rain-snow mix, or snow or rain-snow mix, depending on where that snow line sets up, depending on how far east or west this low is. So this is what we're watching as the big weather story for the next few days. A nor'easter for the areas that were hit by Superstorm Sandy. That's not good news. All right, here is our forecast right there. Sunny today and hot, 88. 55 tomorrow morning is very nice, and then 90 tomorrow afternoon is the hottest day of the week. And that's getting close to the record, which I didn't look up, but I think the record's 91, I think. We'll keep you posted. And then 88 for Wednesday's high. So Then we start to cool off. Thursday we kick in the wind and a few more clouds. 78. Friday 72, windy. And then Saturday and Sunday, highs in the low 60s. And Saturdays are probably our best chance of rain. Friday, Saturday time frame. We'll have to wait and see if the moisture comes as far south. I sure hope so. Would love to see some snow on Mount Lemmon as well. That is Coffee to Forecast for Monday. Have an amazing day, and I will see you here again tomorrow.